Caspar Winkler, who founded Sika in 1910, developed and patented the world's first watertight mortar. He chose the name Sika and created the red and yellow distinctive company logo, which we still use today. The electrification of railways in the 1920s required tunnels without water penetration, achieved with Sika mortars. This was also the start of Sika's early globalization, and by 1930 Sika had already established 15 subsidiaries across Europe, in the USA, Brazil, Argentina and Japan. With the fall of the Iron Curtain in the early 1990s, further subsidiary companies were founded in Eastern Europe, Central Asia and China. Today, Sika has subsidiaries in over 70 countries and has production facilities in over 50 countries. The Sika name, the Sika brands and the Sika logo are well known in our target markets worldwide. Sika has annual sales of around 3 billion Swiss francs, predominantly with four main customer groups: concrete manufacturers, contractors, car manufacturers, and distributors. Sika is the global market leader in all of our target markets. To date, Sika is not yet the market leader within the North American and Japanese markets, but this is one of our clear goals. In most of Europe, South America and Asia, Sika is the undisputed market leader. Five years ago, our Sika Viscocrete technology created a new success story in the production of concrete. We produce over 70,000 tons of Sika Viscocrete in 6 plants located around the world. Some of the most beautiful new buildings and structures in the world today have been built or are currently under construction using Sika Viscocrete technology. Our contractor customers are supported at every stage of the construction process through our roof-to-floor concept. Sika supplies specialist subcontractors on the world's most important projects with systems of roof waterproofing, window and facade sealing, and with specialized flooring system solutions. The refurbishment of bridges is another major application. The Sika Carbo Dur system, developed in close conjunction with the Swiss Federal Testing Institute in the 1990s, has allowed Sika to become the world's #1. At the end of the 1970s, Sika entered the automotive industry business with the introduction of the elastic one-part polyurethane adhesive sealant, Sikaflex. Producing 60,000 tons of Sikaflex adhesive every year, Sika is today the largest polyurethane adhesive producer in the world. Sika now supplies the automotive industry not only with glazing adhesives, as the sales of Sika baffles are nearly at the same level of sales. These baffles are used as noise dampening elements in car bodywork. Demand for the new Sika reinforcers is also increasing rapidly. Sika reinforcers stiffen and strengthen the critical elements of a car body if a crash occurs. Throughout the world, Sika's polyurethane elastic bonding technology is also the innovation increasingly being used to replace welding, riveting and screw fixings in the manufacture and refurbishment of trucks, trains, pleasure boats and huge commercial ships. Sika always maintains direct contact with all of the leading customers in each of our target groups. Increasingly, our products are supplied to these different customer groups through merchants, distributors and retailers. The Sika sales organization differentiates between our direct sales and indirect sales through distributors. Today, more than 1/3 of our sales comes through distribution channels in which the major pro dealers play an increasing role. For example, Sika now supplies our USA construction line in the professional section of all USA Home Depot stores. Sika's target markets, especially in the global construction business, are very fragmented. The 5 biggest suppliers together hold less than 25% of the total world market. In markets that have already consolidated, such as the automotive body business, continued new solutions for reducing manufacturing costs and increasing the rate of production are required. For this reason, Sika continues to maintain strong research and development departments at 4 dedicated centers in Europe, the USA and Japan. Sika's success in the future will be strongly influenced by the opportunities to continue to optimize our technologies for sealing, bonding, dampening, reinforcing and protecting with systems for all types of structures. We're therefore continuing to work very closely with construction and distribution professionals to continually increase our global market presence.